The day I came home from work, my driveway was gone. Not cracked, not damaged, gone. Chunks of concrete were piled like trash along the curb. Fresh dirt scarred the ground where my driveway used to be. And standing there with her arms crossed was the HOA president, Karen, watching like she had just won a battle. She said my driveway violated community appearance standards. Said it looked industrial. Said it didn't belong in a quiet suburban neighborhood. What she didn't say was what she'd been hinting at for months, that I didn't belong there either. I'm a retired Air Force pilot. I bought that house after 22 years of service. That driveway wasn't decorative. It was reinforced concrete, poured to specific federal specifications years ago under a special use agreement. It had to stay exactly the way it was. I tried to explain. She laughed. "Unless you're landing jets in your front yard," she said, "it's coming out." So she hired contractors. No permits, no calls, no questions. What she didn't know was that the property was still listed under a Department of Defense contingency registry. In emergencies, natural disasters, blackouts, certain private locations were designated as temporary landing and supply zones, including mine. 3 days later, the sky thundered. A military helicopter circled low over our neighborhood. Neighbors ran outside. Phones came out. Karen stepped onto her porch, confused. The aircraft descended slowly toward my house. Uniformed officers stepped out and asked one question. Who authorized the destruction of a registered federal landing surface? Karen's face went pale. By the end of the week, the HOA was under investigation for unauthorized property interference. Fines were issued, legal notices delivered. My driveway rebuilt, stronger than before, at their expense. Karen never looked at me the same way again. Funny thing is, I never wanted revenge. I just wanted respect. Some people see concrete and think it's just a driveway, but sometimes it's a runway built from years of service, sacrifice, and a promise to protect. And the loudest lesson in the neighborhood that week wasn't the helicopter. It was this: never tear down what you don't understand. If you want to see the shocking twist and how she got revenge, hit subscribe and don't miss the next HOA story. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.